Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log in Barclays Online Banking Account. So if you want to log in your Barclays Online Banking Account, first of all you have to open up your browser, any browser you like, and after opening your browser, now you have to search for barclays.co.uk. And once you search for it, you will open up their homepage. So now if you want to log in your Barclays bank account, now you have to tap on the blue option which is on the top right, login. And after tapping on login in membership number, now you have to enter your last name and then enter your membership number, or you can also choose credit number. After choosing your credit number, you have to enter your last name and then enter your credit number, or you can also choose your store code and account number. So in store code and account number, you have to enter your last name, your store code which is of 6 digits, and then enter your account number. And after doing that, you have to tap on continue. After tapping on continue, you will easily log into your Barclays online banking account. So this is how you can log into your Barclays online banking account. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.